Go beyond limits. Bigger, tougher, and stronger. This is Mitsubishi Triton, powered by a 2.4-liter turbo diesel engine featuring a 2-stage turbo with a 204 horsepower and 470 Nm maximum of torque. At di mo mapigilan mapalingon sa ganda ng kanyang design dahil sa kanyang aggressive front fascia. Samahan pa ng LED headlight, daytime running light, at square-shaped grille. Dynamic shell design ay mas lalong nagpapaangas ng kanyang looks. Tough meets comfort. Ride and comfort with adjustable seats, slide, recline, and height adjustment. Ang seats ay gawa sa high-quality material para siguradong comfortable ka. Ang Mitsubishi Triton Athlete is equipped with electronic power steering, 3-spoke leather wrap, audio control, cruise control, and tilt and telescopic adjustment. Equipped din siya ng 9 inches touchscreen with AM, FM radio, Bluetooth hands-free, USB connectivity, wireless, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. At meron siyang tire size na 265 by 60 R18. Naka-black alloy na rin siya at naka-ventilated desk na rin siya. At ang front suspension natin ay independent, wishbone with coil spring. At meron na rin siyang anti-lock braking system with electronic brake force distribution. Ang frame ng bagong Mitsubishi Triton ay gumagamit sila ng high tensile material para siguradong durability, reliability, at higit sa lahat, safer driving experience. For more specification, safety and features, mag-comment lang kayo dito sa aking video para gagawa natin ng review. Or you may visit our dealership here in Bagong Ilog, Pasig City. See you there!